Hello and welcome back to Hands-on Fundamentals of Data Science with Go. This last section will build and learn about analyzing time series with stock forecasting, including time series fundamentals, building and evaluating a stock forecasting model. We'll build and evaluate our own regression and test it using roll-forward cross-validation. We'll also perform data visualizations of stock market data. So let's get started. In this video, we'll learn about the fundamentals of time series and learn about roll-forward cross-validation. What is time series? Time series is a series of data points listed in time order. The handling of time series data differs from usual in many ways, as each data point is dependent on the previous one as it is a sequence. Don't tweak methods each time to get good performance on some validation data. Just train model on some part of data and let it go forward. This is roll-forward cross-validation and we'll come back to it. Technical indicators such as moving averages, etc. can be very helpful to understand the trend in the data. We'll be using them in the stock forecasting model that we built. Some time series data can have seasonal variations as well. On the left is Amazon revenue from 2005 to 2012 by quarter in millions, and you can see there are several seasonal variations in time series data due to holiday sales for Amazon. On the right is Amazon stock price data, where the level of change is not absolute, it is a percentage trend. Usually in machine learning, we use k-fold cross-validation data. K-fold cross-validation is where we divide the data into different k-folds and then train on k-1 folds and then test or rather validate on the kth fold. But in this case, in cross-validation with time series data, it is a little bit different. It is replaced by roll-forward cross-validation. This is important as different parts of data are going to be part of different sequences and it is important to account for it. So we can't just train it on random part of the data and validate on some other part of data which is far away. It is important to train it in sequence and then validate in sequence. The sequence aspect of it makes it very crucial that we test it in the right way.